In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI work breakdown to quickly set up work in Jira. This method can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to organize tasks efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in and navigate through this step-by-step process together. First, start by heading over to your Jira homepage. This is your main control center where you'll commence the setup process. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate and click on the Create button, which you'll find in the top navigation bar. This button is crucial as it initiates the creation of new work items. After clicking Create, you'll be prompted to choose the specific project in which you want to create an epic. It's important to select the correct project as this will ensure the epic is categorized and managed appropriately. Once you've selected the project, proceed to choose Epic as the issue type. The epic serves as a parent task under which all related tasks or issues will be organized. Next, you'll need to fill in some details for your epic. Enter the epic's name, a summary, its description, and any other relevant fields. These details are essential as they provide context and information about the epic you'll be working on. After completing this information, confirm and create the epic. Successfully doing this will lay the foundation for the subsequent tasks that you'll organize under this epic. Now that your epic is created, navigate to it and click on Improve Issue located at the top right corner. This option allows you to enhance the content and structure of your epic. In this menu, select Suggest Child Issues. This feature leverages Atlassian intelligence to analyze the epic and suggest child issues or tasks with pre-filled summaries and descriptions. This functionality is incredibly helpful as it saves you time and provides a solid starting point for each task. Additionally, you have the option to prompt AI to scan an entire page to generate a list of Jira tasks with pre-filled summaries and descriptions. This can be particularly useful when dealing with large volumes of information or when you need to break down complex tasks into manageable pieces. The final step is to review the suggested tasks. It's important to make any necessary edits or adjustments to ensure accuracy and relevance. By tailoring these tasks to fit your specific project needs, you'll ensure a smoother workflow and a more efficient project management experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you can harness the power of AI to streamline your work breakdown process in Jira, making task organization more efficient and less time consuming. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in your future Jira tasks.